I'm just holding the canoe here. If this would stop moving. Ben's just holding the camera. Ben's gonna get stuff and he's gonna put it in the canoe.
I'm out here for another camping trip with my nephew Saxon. There he is. Awesome. It looks like Saxon and I are ready to shove off.
Yeah, we need to.
There's a lot of mosquitoes biting him, so he wants to get going. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna shove off and head down the Oxtongue River. We're on the Oxtongue River going downstream. It's still pretty high. When I came up here for a day trip a few weeks ago, it was like the highest I think I've ever seen it. Yeah, I'm a little worried. There's not really a rapid, it's like a swift that we will be going down. I'm just worried about getting back up the next day. It's just me paddling with all the gear and Saxon in the canoe. We'll find out. We have 2 days to worry about that. So we're actually camping at a place I've camped many times on the Oxtongue River. There's some nice sites just along the shore of the river, and that's where we are.
Where are we? What's under us?
What? The bottom of the river.
No, but how come is this completely floating, or is it kind of sinking a little bit?
The boat, the canoe is floating.
If it was sinking,
We'd be getting water in here and we'd be getting wet.
how come all this weight and still the canoe's floating?
It's called displacement.
Don't think we would be allowed to be swimming. Don't think we would be allowed to be doing this if there was hippos in here.
No. Well, you could, but it'd be dangerous.
Way too dangerous. You would die like in 40 minutes. Oh, jeez. That seaweed scared the crap. The seaweed scared scared me.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, look at that, man.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
I know it's pretty cool, but the problem is, how could it grow that tall?
It's like grass, but it's underwater grass.
It's seaweed, it's called. What kind of animal?
Technically, seaweed grows in the sea.
But is this seaweed?
Well, it's river weed. River grass. Call it that. That's probably better. River grass.
River grass. Except, how does it grow in water? Does it have too much water?
No, these are meant to grow in water. It's different than the grass that's on the shore.
Like that?
Yeah.
Guess what? Remember leeches? Leeches live in tall of that.
Yeah.
Tall that. And ticks live in tall that.
That's true.
So they're kind of the same thing. Would there be leeches in there?
Probably.
What do you mean probably?
Most likely there would be.
You see, I got some seaweed. Come here, you little bugger. Here's some seaweed. I can get more if you want.
No. Don't tip us.
Okay, there we go. See, I got some seaweed. Could there be bears under? Whoa!
What?
That was a log that sunk.
Oh, yeah.
It is so hot when you have this.
I saw a wolf here once.
Like over there?
Yeah, on the shore. That was really cool.
You mean awake?
Yeah.
Was it trying to get me? Was it trying to get you?
No, it was just standing on the shore and it looked at me and then it ran away. Straight ahead of us.
How come it's calm here? How come it's calm here?
It just is. It's like this because the water's so deep here.
How about there?
Oh, there? No, that's rapids. This is what we got to get back up somehow.
Okay, I'm kind of scared a little bit. Tell me if is it gonna be bumpy?
No, it'll be totally fine. This is coming back up is going to be fun or difficult. I may have to get out of the boat and pull it up. Like I'll have to walk up in the water and pull you in the boat. We just came down the little set of rapids there. Swift, really. The water is lower than it was last time, so I think I'll be able to get back up. It might mean getting out of the boat and dragging it up, but I think we're going to be okay. Further down the river, there is a tree crossing the river. It's been there for a couple of years, and you can sort of make your way through it. You gotta squish through some branches, which we did.
Are we stuck?
I had a GoPro mounted to the back of the canoe. Now it's mounted on a clamp and then a gorilla arm, which is bendy.
Yes, there isn't it.
Oh shit.
What? What?
Lost my camera.
Huh?
I just lost my camera.
It turns out that Ben lost his camera.
It literally got ripped off. I'll show you. So this is the kind of thing it was on. One of the gorilla arms clamped on to the canoe. I had it clamped on the carrying handle at the back of the canoe. It should have hit anything, just folded back.
Normally, the branch would have just made it bend back. But instead of that, it just grabbed onto it and whipped the gorilla arm right off in half. Then Ben heard a plop. And Ben's like, oh no, there's my camera fell in the water.
Whatever happened, this is what happened. It literally ripped it out, ripped the gorilla arm in half and knocked it into the water because the clamp didn't come off. This should have bent, and it did, but then it ripped it off. Well, this really sucks. We're going through this tree here, which is fine. We were going through no problem, and I had a GoPro on the back, not hanging out over the water or anything like that, but it was sticking up a bit, and it hit a branch to the point where the branch it actually broke off the top of the gorilla arm that was holding it, and I hear plop, and it's fallen in the water. So it's here somewhere. I really doubt I'll be able to find it. Who knows? If the sun comes out, I may can paddle back up here and take a look, but it's fairly deep under this tree, so there's a good chance that's gone. That sucks.
Okay, we're just going on the ship.
Okay, so
Should I get out first?
I
want to get out first. Just
well, carefully. You got to stay in the center. Step up. One foot has to stay in the middle of the boat. Don't put your weight on the side, and then you can step out into the water.
Am I in the middle?
Yeah. Okay, put your other foot, the other side, this side.
This side?
Yes. Hold on to the boat with two hands. Get that foot right over. And step out. Okay, step up. And hold the boat. Well, we're at a campsite. Just a great site, and Saxon's just checking out the rocks. Be careful, it might be very slippery there. Checking out the rocks where we're probably going to go for a swim. We just got to unload our canoe and set up camp. Saxon is helping me set up the tent. He was putting the poles together. That's pretty cool. Anyway, we're setting up camp. Hey there. And then we may go for a swim or something. It's really hot today, so we're gonna jump in the water.
I'm swimming and oh, look,
Wow, the current certainly is flowing. Put Saxon out in the current just to see, and he went flying, and I was having trouble catching up to him.
Hey! Oh, no!
It's pretty fast.
Ben threw me out in the wind. Well, not threw me, but he kind of pushed me out into the current, and then Ben was like, "What the heck, man? You're going so fast!"
Got a hammock set up, hanging out in this for a little while. Saxon's in the tent style hammock. We're just gonna hang out for a while and then get prepped for the evening.
We might stay in here for an hour, And we could go out and get some sticks. And then we maybe, we could go swimming again. But I don't know for sure. Because it's kind of, I think it's evening right now.
Well, it's only about 8 o'clock, but the mosquitoes, they haven't been bad throughout the day, that bad, but they've just started swarming us. So we're gonna hang out in the tent and
Not until we get the barrel. Never can do.
so we're gonna go hang our food, and then we are gonna get in the tent, hang out in there, and have an early night. Well, we're in the tent. It's boiling freaking hot, and there's lots of mosquitoes outside. So
I don't have a shirt either.
oh yeah, we're not wearing shirts. Let's keep it nice and cool.
But I still have paint on.
So tomorrow, what are we gonna do? Maybe go for another paddle. Paddle back up the river and see if we can find my camera.
Yeah.
I might have to go swimming in really yucky water.
And also leeches could be hiding in there.
Yeah, very likely.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, tomorrow I'm sure it'll be a nice day. It'll be it'll be a full day for you tomorrow, and then we have another night.
I don't think I'll be able to sleep like this.
That's fine. Anyway, good night. We'll see you in the morning.